This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Albaneses Job Summit. This week he's going to have a job summit. Yesterday at the press club, he had a chirp because he's been in power 100 days. And what's he done in those 100 days? He says he's done all this stuff for Australia, but he's done sweet F.A. And now he's going to have a job summit. In between talking climate change and an Indigenous voice to Parliament, which the Indigenous people don't want. So he's showing his racist side by ignoring them. Now we're going to have a job summit, another bloody talk fest. And he's talking about bringing skilled migrants into this country to fill the void of these jobs. Well, first of all, drop the mandates so people who are already qualified can get back to work, because that's a load of bullshit. And then talk to these kids who are up to the age of 30, still live at home, bloody entitled, who refuse to work, and tell them that there's going to be no more handout until you take up a position in this country to make it go forward. Let alone all these sneaky, not real disability pensioners who only got to break a fingernail and you're on a bloody disability pension, and then you don't have to go looking for work. And I'm not saying you have to go and do whatever they tell you, but there's got to be options given to these kids to get them off their asses and the video games and the television and junk food, and get them back in the workforce so we don't have to bring skilled migrants in here. This country used to work that way, and it's about time Albanese or any bloody politician in this country got some balls and stood up to this bullshit and got these kids back or into work. It's absolute bullshit, just like Albanese's absolute bullshit talk fest this week. This is Harry Vocal.